Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can see blocked accounts on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. Then scroll until you find privacy and safety. Next, tap on it. After that, you can see the option of blocked accounts. Tap on it. So, this is how you can see blocked accounts on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.